What's up, everybody? Cashflow Kris here with another tip. When constructing a building or doing anything that requires concrete work, you definitely want to budget in a couple extra days, because even in bright sunny Arizona, you're going to have rainy days like today. So as you can see, we really got going on this. The underground plumbing is done. We have a yellow tag, meaning we can proceed. The forms are up, but they're not working today, they're not working tomorrow, maybe not even the next day, because it is raining. So not only is it going to slow us down from backfilling all of this, because we don't want a big muddy mess, that's going to slow us down, and we won't be able to pour concrete. We can't do the rest of the house if we don't pour concrete. So definitely budget in a couple extra days for possible rain, even in sunny Arizona.